Hello, my name is Kelly Bluen, and I am here today to do the unboxing of the Christmas Journal Kit for December of 2025. I am so excited about this one. This was kind of an accidental tradition, started a couple of years ago, where I just wanted to slow down a little bit during the month of December and focus and reflect and take time to draw. And that's what started this. So this is year 3, and I love this kit because it's not just doing the Zentangle method of drawing, it's also getting into a little bit of doodling, a little bit of reflection with journal prompts, and it's just a little bit unique, and I really love it, and I love that all of you are enjoying it as well. So here's our Christmas journal box. Let's open it up. Of course, it has the packing paper, your little welcome note, and the welcome note just says that in this box you'll find paper, tools, and accessories to complete your very own little Christmas booklet. It says the videos will begin December 1st and will go Monday through Friday up until Christmas Eve, which is December 24th. You can use this QR code to get to my YouTube channel, which is at Minutes of Zen or Kelly Bluen. You can find me, you know how to find me. And then some additional items you will need for this one. There is a lot of cutting in this one. So you need scissors or some type of small paper trimmer, a micron pen or a fine liner. I do give you a couple of fun pens, but I did not include a basic black pen this time because I wanted to give you other ones. So any kind of a micron pen or fine liner, and then a ruler if you have one, or some sort of straight edge. I think that's all you'll need. Okay, let's open it up. Look at all this beautiful stuff. Okay, the first thing we see is this cute little packet here. And inside this is, let's see, a little tag, like a little wooden tag, some glue, an adorable little reindeer. I think last year we did Christmas trees, so this year's a reindeer. We may or may not take the time to draw on him, but it's meant to be a place that you can stick a tile for display. And then deep in here, don't lose it. Oh, it fell out already, see? Is this little piece of Velcro. So make sure you don't misplace that. Okay, then we have our beautiful pens. This year we have a glitter red and a glittery green jelly roll from Sakura. So absolutely beautiful. And then this thing, which when I ordered them, I thought they were small, but they're huge. So once I had a few hundred, it was hard to return them. So you get a nice big one, but this is called a bone folder. And we're gonna use it for two things. One, we're gonna use this kind of pointy edge to score some fold lines on our paper. And then you use this edge to make a good crease. So that's what we're going to be using this bone folder for. I love that we get to have one of those. Okay, of course you have your cute little bird. The birds this month say Christmas 2025, and they're all wearing cute little scarves. Of course, they are also numbered on the back. Love that. Okay, you have this little packet. This is in a clear envelope. You have some white tags with the little string. You have a 2025 piece of paper, a couple of journal papers, and these lovely little stamps that we're going to draw on. So cute. Okay, some tags. This is a fun little sheet. One spot for every day, the month of December, and I'll be telling you a little bit more about that later. Okay, then in here is all the paper. My goal when I started doing this was that I was going to have this all cut out for you. The problem is to cut out hundreds of sets of paper would take me so long. And even with my fancy new big cutter, I wanted to have these cut out for you, but my printer prints them just slightly off each time. So the next one might have a little bit more of a gap up here. It just shifts it. So I can't cut them all at the same time. So I'm so sorry, but you're gonna have to do some cutting. These are gonna be the tiles that we're gonna work on. Love those, love the little vintage stamps. And then these papers, let me take them out and get them out of the way from here. These papers are going to be what we use to build our journal, and it's going to be so much fun. So the first couple of days, the first few videos, I'm going to be guiding you through cutting out some of the pieces and gluing things together. Day 2, we'll do a few more. Day 3, we'll do a few more. We will also do some drawing or journaling on those days. But after about 3 or 4 days, we should have all of the pieces of our little junk journal created. Aren't these so cute? I love all of them. Is that the last piece? Nope, there's another one. It's going to be so much fun. If you do not have the kit, get a little blank journal or sketchbook and just do all of the prompts and things in that. You don't need this to have fun with the December videos. Also, these are considered a junk journal, and there's no real junk in this one, so go ahead and collect junk. We did this last year as well. If you have old Christmas cards or Christmas envelopes that come in from cards you get from family and friends, save those envelopes. Save tissue paper or wrapping paper, any little buttons or fabric or ribbon. Just start setting it aside because we can put those in our journals and we can use them around our tiles. And it's just kind of fun to collect some of that junk type stuff. We're also going to be reusing parts of this bag and our brown paper that we had as our filler, the packing paper. So don't throw this away either. Keep this. If you've already thrown it out, that's okay. But if not, keep it, okay? All right, lots of fun things. I cannot wait to see you on December 1st for the very first video. Have your supplies ready. Have some scissors, a pen, and a ruler handy, and we'll be ready to get started. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.